Quick question. Are you struggling to calculate commissions using unleashed data? If so, you know the pain. Error-prone commission spreadsheets and frustrated reps. Let's fix that. Step 1. Activate Sales Cookie's native sync with Unleashed using the link below, and your data will flow in automatically after that. Step 2. Build your commission plan using Sales Cookie's AI Plan Designer. Answer a few questions and your plan is ready in minutes. Here's the fun part. Sales Cookie instantly generates a clean visual summary so you can confirm your setup at a glance. My plan has no splits, no tiers, but each rep has a quota. Step 3. Run a test calculation. In under a minute, Sales Cookie will analyze and cross-reference your sales and purchase orders, calculate margin, credit the right reps, apply your commission rules, and generate commission statements instantly. If a rep logs in, they'll immediately see the latest commission statement, complete with details on their book of business, margin, and payouts. It gets better. Reps can sort, visualize, graph their commissions data. They can search, export, reorder columns, and even review transaction level details. They can submit inquiries directly from the platform. They can track payouts across commission periods and see a clear breakdown of their commissions. They can ask questions and analyze their sales and commissions data using the 7x24 Multi-lingual AI Assistant. Are your commissions more complex? No worries. Sales Cookie handles advanced scenarios and all use cases with clarity and ease. Pro tip. Use our in-house technical experts for your accurate and fast setup. Ready to stop calculating commissions manually? Book a demo or start your free trial today. No credit card needed. Thanks.